Hi guys, how are you all doing? So I have 10 eggs here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I want to challenge myself. Let me see if I can finish these 10 eggs, because I've been seeing people eating lots of eggs. See, I can only eat 4 eggs at once or in a day, but eating 10 eggs at once, I don't know. Let me do this. Let's start. Okay, let me give myself like 5 minutes because you know go day easy. I have water here. Let me drink water. It's not easy. I'm tired. I have how many left? 2, 4, 5. So far, I've eaten 5. I don't think I'll continue. But for those that can swallow 10 eggs at once, I come on hand for now. I said, let me try this challenge. It's not easy. Okay, I will end this video here. Thank you. If you want me to continue, if you want me to do more, let me know in the comment section. Okay, for now I can't go further. Bye bye.